Hi, it's Krista with WTI. If you're a candle lover like I am, allow me to introduce you to your new best friend. It is the Boncas Flexible Neck Arc Lighter. Now this lighter is just wonderful because it's going to allow you to get that last little burn off of your favorite candle. It reaches deep into any candle jar and allows you to light the candle without burning your fingers. My husband loves it for use outdoors on the fire pit, the barbecue grill, doing bonfires, going camping, for any of his needs, especially because it's windproof and it's not constantly blowing out when he's trying to light something. Now, I love it for interior needs, specifically my candles, but I find myself also using it sometimes to relight the stove top. It also has this really cool little display on the front that tells me when it's time to recharge. Every time the battery gets lower, we lose a light, and it goes from 5 all the way down to 1 when it flashes, and then I know it's ready to get a charge. Another feature that I really appreciate about this arc lighter are the fact that it has a separate power and ignite switch. This means that I'm not going to have any accidents, damage any materials, hurt my fingers, anything like that. So if you're looking for the lighter that allows you to reach deep into a candle jar, get that last little bit of burn off of your favorite scent, or if you really need an outdoor lighter that won't get blown out to light your barbecue grill or fire pit, this is the perfect addition to your home, and that's my point of view.